Let's talk about the leeway space of Nance. The combined mesiodistal width of permanent canine and premolar is usually less than that of the deciduous canine and molar. The difference between these two is known as the leeway space of Nance. The normal measured value of maxilla is 1.8 mm and mandible is 3.4 mm. Importance of leeway space to maintain proper class 1 molar relationship. In the lower arch, the leeway space is often used by first permanent molar to shift forward to class 1 molar relation. Second one is prevent malocclusion. The loss of space that is due to early extraction of deciduous teeth lead to crowding and malalignment. Gates the eruption of permanent teeth. Leeway space ensures proper position of premolar and canine, reducing the need for extraction. Proper utilization of leeway space can avoid the removal of permanent teeth in borderline case. Last one is space management. Orthodontists preserve the space using lingual arch and space maintenance. In conclusion, the timely diagnosis and management of leeway space play a key role in maintaining normal occlusal development. Thank you.